Hello and welcome back to the solder side. Today we're going to be working on these two original Gameboys. Now, I don't know if you can see on camera, but they are absolutely disgusting. So they're going to need to be cleaned, so I'll have to take them completely apart. I don't actually fully know what's wrong with them. They don't come on apparently, but I don't know if you can see in there, there's a lot of filth, and also the metal contacts are missing, and also these screens are loose, and I think they're both the same, so I'll just check the other one. And oh, there you go, screen's just fallen off, and yeah, no contacts in there. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is take one of these apart, power it on with the bench power supply to see what it does, and then kind of strip everything so that I can wash it all. So we'll get started with the dirtier one because yeah, it's just disgusting. So I'm probably going to be putting on some gloves to do this, so bear with me. That's what we're going to be working on first. Okay, so power's on. It looks like it's got a load of blank lines just down one side. So that's good. It had sound. Let's see if it reads the game. Oh, that's looking promising. Yeah, it looks like it's reading it. Brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, so turn that one off. There we go. What I'll do is I'll carry on taking this apart, and we'll give it a clean. So I'll probably clean both boards with some isopropyl. I mean, they don't look too bad actually, but they do stink of smoke. So whoever owned these before was a smoker. So let's take it all apart. I'll be honest, I've never done one of these before, so this is first time. Looks like somebody's been in here before because this looks burnt. So I think somebody's tried to fix this before. I don't know if you can see that. Just in here, looks like somebody's had a soldering iron to it. So this may be damaged beyond repair. However, I'll give it a clean. In fact, should I try and fix it first? Okay, hang on. Let me check what the other one's like, because if they've damaged the other one as well, then I don't know what I'm going to do, because I need to get screen replacements, and that is quite expensive. Okay, this is stuck down. Ooh, promising. Okay, this one hasn't been touched. So let me plug it in to this board. one comes on, looks like it's got a lot of missing ones. Let me put a game in. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there seems to be quite a lot of missing. I mean, just putting a bit of pressure on it here, you can see they all come back. So I've made this end worse, but that is promising because we've got 2 damaged screens. One might be damaged beyond repair. If it is, I might turn that into a second video where I do a mod on it and put a new screen in. So what I'll do is I'll clean both of them up, try and fix the screens. If I can't fix that one, then I'll have to just make that a second video, and hopefully we get one fixed. I've never done this before, so I could break it even worse, but I'm sure we'll find out. Okay, we are back. So I couldn't get them properly cleaned because I don't have the chemicals and I don't really have the time to do it or the space. So what I'm going to do, what I've done is I've got them as clean as I can, and I'm going to start putting them together. And what I'm going to do is the original, I want to use these original things here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some, I think it's called Polywatch, and it will buff out all the light scratches. I'm not too fussed about having deep scratches on it, and you know, I can always change it later on if I want to, but I don't really want to spend too much money on these because I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix them or not. So on that note, I'm going to start putting everything back together, and I'll start with the front covers. apologies, I'm just having to do a voiceover because my microphone died. But basically what I'm saying here is the pixels don't seem to be coming back, so I think the damage has been done to this, so it's probably going to need a new screen now. So I'll put this one back together and then I will move on to the other one. Okay, so I'm about to start on the next screen now, but what you'll see is as I lift the pad that's stuck down onto the ribbon cable, that the ribbon cable lifts. This wasn't because of me lifting the pad up. I think somebody had actually been here before, and I think maybe they'd ripped up the ribbon cable. So I'm going to apply some heat and hopefully it will stick back down again. So as you guys can see, the ribbon cable will not stick down no matter how much heat I apply and times I press down on it, it's just not sticking. So I'm just going to put it back together. Okay, so I'm just going to give it the last little bit of polish now that I've stuck down the screen, which should hopefully remove any of the light scratches that are on there. And we'll give it a quick test. Unfortunately, because my microphone decided not to work for the final part of this video, you can't hear the sound coming out of the game, but I can assure you there is sound coming out. It looks like both these DMGs just need a screen replacement, basically. They are quite expensive, so I probably won't do both. But if you do want to see me attempt a screen replacement mod on these, make sure to leave a like and or leave a comment to let me know that you want to see that, because they are quite expensive. So if it's not something people are interested in, I might not do it. So I'll leave that down to you guys. And on that note, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button to let me know, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one.